Hi, thank you for joining me today. I just want to do a quick overview for changing the spark plugs on a Jeep 2009 Jeep Patriot. So first of all, you have to remove this cover, the engine cover here, and that pops right off. It's not being held on by any screws. You just pop that right off. And then here we don't have any spark plug wires for this model. It has these coil packs here, and so to remove that, you have to get that particular, it's like a star bit. You know, they're making them different now, so you have to get that star bit and just pull that out. That's a ratchet. It's a ratchet set or a ratchet bit. You just pull that out, and once you take that screw off, it's on there like that. You take that screw off, then you can undo the plug-in. There you go, and then wiggle it and it pulls up, and that's what your coil pack look like. This has a little oil on it. When they leak, they don't leak on the outside like they used to do years ago. The oil will leak on the engine, and then this whole unit has to be pulled off and resealed. So that's your coil pack. Then you back you back your spark plug out using the standard spark plug wrench, bit that goes on the end of your what is this? This is an extension piece for your ratchet set, because it has to be long enough to go down in that shaft. So once you do, you back it out, and there you see the spark plug on there. This was in there. This was the old one. Look at it. See that tip right here, right there? It's been worn. Trying to get a nice view of it. It's really worn, and that one is long. I don't want to put my hands on it, but this one is wore down really bad, and I was getting really horrible gas mileage. So now you're going to insert the new spark plug, which just place it into the bit, load it back down into the shaft, and be gentle with it so that it will
not
cross threads, but it will actually go in like it's supposed to. We don't force it, so you have to be very gentle with it, and you hand tighten it down to a certain point, and then you can torque it. And you do that for each one. This one only has the 4, because of course this is a 4-cylinder. This is not a big engine. And once we finish doing that, torquing that down to a certain poundage, then we'll just place the cover back on and we'll be set. One point when you are using these sockets, what you want to make sure is, for this one, there's a rubber piece inside. There's a rubber piece inside here. So when you insert the spark plug, don't push it too far in there. That way when you get it inside the engine, it comes out, it releases easy. Replace the coil pack.
Yeah, I think this was in here.
And screw it down. You're good to go.
Yeah, that came with that screw.
Video. Okay, and when you now this is the cover that's going back on. Now what it's going to do is it's going to snap into place here, because you're popping it off. Nothing to screw on there. This piece here, and there's another one over on there on that side, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to line those up, that cover up with those pieces, and press it down enough so it snaps into place, and then you're set. This is a whole lot easier than what it used to be. Just make sure everything lines up. That coil right there goes back into the hole. And we're set. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.